Welcome back to Motorhome Empire, where we explore the most powerful, capable, and extraordinary motorhomes on the road today. Rarely does a camper blur the line between civilian travel and true, military-level capability, but this vehicle does exactly that. It is engineered to operate in places where ordinary machines simply cannot go, pushing the boundaries of what a camper can be. Today, we're taking a deep dive into something truly next level. The 2026 GMC 6x6 Armored Camper. This is a vehicle that combines military-grade toughness with luxury, camper living in a way very few machines ever have. This is not a typical RV, and it's not just an off-road truck with a camper attached. It's a rolling fortress, built for people who demand maximum capability, enhanced security, and total independence while traveling anywhere in the United States and beyond. From its intimidating exterior and heavily fortified construction to its surprisingly comfortable interior, powerful performance, advanced technology, and serious safety systems, we're breaking down everything you need to know to decide whether this extreme armored camper is truly worth the investment. The exterior design of the 2026 GMC 6x6 Armored Camper is unapologetically aggressive, highly functional, and built with clear purpose. The massive body sits on a stretched, six-wheel drive chassis that gives the vehicle an unmistakable presence on the road and immediately communicates strength and off-road dominance. Heavy-duty armored panels are seamlessly integrated into the bodywork, while reinforced bumpers, high-clearance fenders, and oversized, all-terrain tires highlight its ability to handle extreme environments. Up front, the bold GMC grille is paired with high-output LED lighting designed to perform in low-visibility conditions. The elevated ride height and wide stance improve stability when navigating rough terrain, steep inclines, and uneven surfaces. Despite its rugged nature, the camper body is cleanly styled with sharp lines and industrial detailing, giving it the feel of a premium tactical vehicle rather than a crude utility build. This is a machine that looks equally prepared for remote wilderness, expeditions, and disaster response travel scenarios. And stepping
inside the 2026 GMC 6x6
Armored Camper is where the biggest surprise awaits. Behind the armored exterior is a thoughtfully designed and surprisingly luxurious living space that balances comfort with durability. The main cabin features a durable yet comfortable sofa designed to withstand long hours of use. The upholstery materials are chosen specifically for their resistance to wear while remaining easy to clean. The kitchen area is compact but highly functional, featuring a built-in cooktop, secure cabinetry, refrigeration, and reinforced storage systems that stay locked and stable even during aggressive off-road travel. Moving toward the sleeping area, the bedroom offers a comfortable bed supported by proper insulation, sound dampening, and climate control. This setup allows occupants to get real rest, regardless of how harsh the environment outside may be. The bathroom is fully enclosed and well-engineered, equipped with a toilet, a shower system, proper ventilation, and rugged fixtures designed to function reliably in extreme conditions. Every interior element is designed to strike a balance between comfort and toughness, making this camper suitable for long-term living in places where traditional RVs simply cannot operate. Comfort, however, is only half the story. The true test of an armored camper begins when we examine how it moves, climbs, and performs under extreme conditions. Powering the 2026 GMC 6x6 Armored Camper is a heavy-duty engine designed to deliver massive, torquey, and dependable performance. Under extreme loads, GMC is expected to pair this platform with a high-output V8 or a turbo-diesel powertrain capable of moving the vehicle's substantial weight while maintaining strong towing and climbing capability. Power is delivered through an advanced six-wheel drive system that maximizes traction across mud, sand, snow, and rocky terrain. This system gives the camper a level of off-road confidence that standard four-wheel drive campers simply cannot match. The reinforced suspension is built to handle uneven surfaces and the added weight of armor, while advanced braking systems ensure controlled stopping despite the vehicle's size. On the highway, the camper remains stable and composed, and off-road it feels nearly unstoppable, placing it among the most capable expedition-style campers available. Technology plays a critical role in making the 2026 GMC 6x6 armored camper both livable and controllable. Despite its extreme design, the driver's cockpit features a large digital display that provides real-time vehicle diagnostics, terrain data, camera views, and navigation optimized for off-road and remote travel. Inside the living area, smart control panels manage lighting, climate control, power usage, and security systems, allowing occupants to monitor and adjust conditions with ease. Advanced camera systems deliver full 360-degree visibility around the vehicle, which is essential when maneuvering such a large platform in tight or hazardous environments. The onboard power system supports auxiliary batteries, generators, and optional solar input, enabling extended off-grid operation. This technology suite transforms the camper into a self-sufficient mobile command center designed for serious exploration. Safety is where the 2026 GMC 6x6 armored camper truly separates itself from conventional campers. It is engineered to protect occupants in extreme and unpredictable situations. The armored construction is designed to provide enhanced protection against impacts and external threats, while reinforced glass and structural components increase overall survivability. Advanced stability control systems help manage the vehicle's height and weight, reducing rollover risk and maintaining control in difficult driving conditions. Driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, collision warning systems, and automated braking add an additional layer of protection during highway travel. Combined with its commanding visibility and robust build quality, this camper delivers a level of security and peace of mind that is virtually unmatched in the recreational vehicle world. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 GMC 6x6 armored camper is expected to sit at the very top of the camper and expedition vehicle market. While official pricing has not been released, estimates place this vehicle well into the high six-figure or even seven-figure range, depending on armor level, interior configuration, and technology packages in the U.S. market. This positions it as an ultra-premium niche product, aimed at buyers who prioritize capability, security, and exclusivity over cost. This is not a mass-market camper. It is a specialized machine designed for extreme use cases and high-end clientele. From a financial standpoint, owning a GMC 6x6 armored camper requires careful consideration beyond the initial purchase price. Buyers must factor in fuel consumption, specialized maintenance, insurance costs, storage requirements, and potential transportation logistics due to the vehicle's size and weight. While operating costs are higher than those of traditional campers, the value lies in its unmatched capability, durability, and multi-purpose functionality. For certain buyers, this camper can replace multiple vehicles by serving as transportation, shelter, and a secure living space all in one, which may justify the investment depending on individual needs and lifestyle. GMC or specialized builders are expected to offer custom order purchasing options for the 6x6 armored camper, allowing buyers to tailor armor levels, interior layouts, power systems, and technology features. Optional upgrades may include enhanced off-grid packages, advanced communication systems, additional storage modules, and premium interior finishes. Additional expenses such as state registration, specialized insurance, training for vehicle operation, and extended warranties should also be included in the overall budget. These customization options ensure that each vehicle is built to match the owner's specific requirements. The biggest advantage of the 2026 GMC 6x6 armored camper is its unmatched combination of security, mobility, and self-sufficiency. It delivers extreme off-road capability, armored protection, and a fully functional living space in a single platform, something very few vehicles in the world can claim. Its six-wheel drive system, heavy-duty engineering, and advanced technology make it suitable for environments and situations where standard campers simply cannot operate. For buyers searching for the ultimate expedition or survival-ready camper, this vehicle stands in a class of its own. At the end of the day, the real question isn't about luxury or price. It's about who truly needs a camper built to this level of capability and protection. So is the 2026 GMC 6x6 armored camper worth it? For those who value ultimate capability, maximum security, and complete independence while traveling. This camper represents one of the most extreme and impressive options available. It's not just a camper. It's a statement of preparedness, strength, and freedom. Let us know in the comments what you think about this armored beast and where you would take it. First, if you had the opportunity. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Motorhome Empire, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest extreme motorhome content.